We're on deck 2. If you have to do there is a laundry room in here on deck 2. So washer and dryers. And then you can buy your soap. And here's the ironing board. So this is on deck 2. And how much is the washers? Okay, it's $3.50 for the washer, and I guess it's $3.50 for the dryer. Soap is $2. But you can do your sign and sell card for the laundry, so you don't have to worry about bringing change. It's right next door to 2377.
The number, you can put the number and check up there.
Okay.
And right across from 2375. Okay, we're in 2435, which is a Cove balcony on deck 2. This sleeps 3 people. So this is going to fall down to a bed. And we have this. And then here's our balcony. We're still in port. Let's see. Here we go. Here's our room. Here's our bathroom. So you have the shelves right here to keep things so they don't move around as you're moving. And here's your mirror. Here's a plug, like for a shaver and stuff like that. And then here's your commode. Then here's your shower. Here's your clothesline for your swimsuits and stuff. So they have the shower gel, and here's your shower head and everything. So, okay. So it's not huge, but it'll work. We're just here for a week. And there's also trash can, some tissues, extra toilet paper and stuff down there. And then here's some hooks also right here, so when you're showering or whatever. Our room steward has come in and she's fixed the bed. So this is how the third person on the sofa, they fix it all up for him. We're out to sea. It's gorgeous outside. On deck 2, you have the lifeboats above you. But it's no big deal. Because you're close to the sea. You're very close to the water. I want to give everybody a little bit of update on the cabin that we're in. We're 2435, which is a Cove balcony. Location is fantastic. We're toward the back of the ship. We're near the back elevators. Our dining room is on deck 3. We're on deck 2. Easy to get to. Great area. It's quiet area, all except for what's above us. We are below the galley, and originally when I booked this room, I thought it's okay. They're only going to be during dining times it'll be dizzy, and then the rest of the time it'll be okay. Wrong. They cook all night. So we're in the middle of the night hearing them banging big metal pots around and chopping and doing all the things you do in a kitchen. And it's very loud. I'm a heavy sleeper, so it doesn't bother me, but if you are a light sleeper, that might be something you want to consider in this room. There's, I don't know if you can hear it now, there's noise and stuff outside right now. So it is a little bit noisy. If you're sensitive to noise and stuff, you may want to consider a room that's not under the galley. Otherwise, fantastic room, great location. We love the Cove balcony. It's everything else has been fantastic about it. It's just the noise, and it's really loud. It's really loud. But otherwise, it's a great room. And also something I wanted to mention, I think I showed you when I was walking the hallways. A lot of times when you look at the deck plans, you may see there's like this empty spot, and you're like, well, what is that? I know on deck 2, there's like a lot of blank spots, like across the hall from us, there's no cabins. And it's because it's a huge electrical area, and so it's all blocked off. You'll see like crew only doors and stuff like that. It hasn't been noisy. That's not been any problem at all for us. So many times when you see stuff like that and you're like, well, there's no room right there, what does that mean? That's what it is. It's like the electrical area, or it's the crew only area, or it's something like that. We also have the laundromat on our deck, on deck 2. It's a little bit further down. It's more midship, so that's nice and convenient, and it has a iron and board, and then some washers and dryers and stuff that if you need to wash clothes, which we've seen several people carrying their suitcase with them to go to the laundromat because they're, you know, they got to get their washing done. But overall, it's been great. Okay, we're at 2435, which is in a great location. So we have the Galleys electrical substation right across from us, which has been very quiet. But when you walk right down here to the right, we're just steps away from the elevators and the stairs. Let's see, here we go, right here. Here's all the elevators. And then the stairs are right here. Our dining room is on deck 3, so we just take the stairs right on up. So it's been super easy. Okay, we have an interior room. There we go. All right. We have an interior room here. Here's the shelves. And here's the bathroom. Okay. On 2363, it's right on the corner, right here. And here's the elevators also. And here's the elevators and stairs also. So this one is the midship elevator. It's like right here by 2361. There's like these doors for crew only. And then there's across from 2371, like this big empty area. And here's the laundry. Then we have the crew only emergency exit across from 2399. And see all over here, there's no rooms across, like there's 2407. It's just all empty. And there's like crew only. Right here we have this, it's 2445. It's like an electrical area.
Yeah, that's
2367
This would be perfect for like 2 singles or whatever. You get the upper and lower bunk. This is an interior room.